So I think the biggest thing was, what do we do with 3 acres of property that, we don't know what to do. So the nice thing about the design process is from the get-go, my biggest concern was budget.
First and foremost, their budget was a concern. They wanted to be able to have something nice. With a design plan, we could do that. We could plan for the things that they wanted to include, and that also includes phasing into the future for things that maybe they don't afford right now.
And then rather than presenting something that's going to be double or triple our budget, they worked with our budget. They put a beautiful plan together, actually better than I thought we would be able to do within our budget.
It's really nice to get a good idea of the space in real time. We like to see if they have close neighbors, or if they want to preserve any views or any sounds, if there's a lot of traffic.
We have kids that are getting older, and so we want a space for them to play and hang out.
Some of my most favorite parts of this design revolve around what they're going to do with their family. We put a trampoline in and a playground and a fire pit, and all of the memories that they're going to be able to create in those spaces. That was really fun to be a part of.
But the experience with Outback was so much better than I thought it would be, honestly.
Constant communication is a really important part of what we do. A landscape install for the client, that's a big thing for them. It's something I do every day, but the client, they're feeling this in real time, and so if we keep them updated, they know what's going on.
For Outback to put a design together and the plan together and to execute that and to finally be in the plan itself was a great moment.
It's really incredible to see a homeowner enjoy a space, because in reality it started out as a picture or a drawing on a piece of paper, and in real time they're making memories. Real life is happening from just something that started out as an idea.
It was a fantastic experience, and I told them that, just reach out to them, ask them, and have that consultation and see how it goes.
Outback gave us a little piece of paradise out here. We have a place to make memories and to run around and enjoy this beautiful area that we get to live in, and we're so grateful for that.
Yeah, and better than we could have hoped, honestly, it would have turned out.